Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing an unboxing. I got this box yesterday, I believe, and I haven't had a chance to open it. So I am going to do that right now. This package is from the Outnet, and this is what's inside. They pack it so nicely in this tissue paper. And I'm just gonna look. Here is the packing slip, and if you don't know what the Outnet is, it's it's luxury items for less. And oh my god! So I saw this posted on an Instagram. If you don't follow her, you should definitely follow her. Her Instagram handle is Lux Hunt, and she finds so many designer items for a discount, on sale, things like that. She always posts things, and they sell out straight away. So I can't believe this was in my size, but this is what I got. Oh my goodness! It is Jimmy Choos, my very first pair. Oh my god. I'm so excited. Okay, so opening the box, inside is this really soft dust bag and a care card. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. So I don't like tall heels. I can't wear tall heels. I wish I could. I always see heels on sale and I'm like, nope, it's not gonna happen. But these are like a kitten heel, and they're black patent leather, and they would be perfect to wear on a night out. Here's the back of it. You can see the Jimmy Choo logo. Oh my god, the bottom of the shoe is super soft. Oh my goodness. And it says Jimmy Choo London inside. I wear a size 37. These are made in Italy. Let me show you the other one. And I got these at an amazing deal. They were $261, and they retail for over $500. So yeah, these are perfect. Oops. Sorry. These are perfect going out shoes. I do say so myself. Look how cute. Amazing. So beautiful. Thank you for watching my video. If you like unboxings like this, follow my channel, hit the subscribe button down below. Also follow me on Instagram at Designer Haul, and I'll see you next time. Happy shopping. Bye.